looks delicious. Is that carrot pieces?
Yeah.
Carrot cake.
Okay, here's the first ingredients. We need eggs, vanilla essence, brown sugar, castor sugar, and canola oil. We're gonna mix it in one big bowl, everything together. Okay, here is the mixture after I mix everything together. Just to make sure there's no lumps in it, like the brown sugar. Make sure you mix it well. And now, after I mix everything, I'm gonna take an applesauce, the unsweetened applesauce. I'm gonna take about 3/4 cups of it, and I'm gonna mix it to the mixture. Okay, here is it after I mix the applesauce in it. It's kind of watery. And second ingredients will be plain flour or all-purpose flour, baking powder, baking soda, spice powder, nutmeg, ground nutmeg, cinnamon, sugar. Well, actually you just need to use cinnamon, and here I have a ginger ground and salt. We're gonna put all those ingredients in one big bowl. Okay, here it is, and now we're just gonna mix everything together with a spoon. Mix it well. Okay, I think this is well mixed. Now I just gonna get the wet mixture and mix it together to the dry mixture. Yeah, we're gonna pour it slowly. Okay, and here is also a little bit tricky. You need to make sure there's no lumps when you mix it. Okay, here after I mix everything, there's no lumps, like maybe a little bit, so we're just gonna make sure that we mix it properly. And this is the third ingredients we need. We need 2 cups of carrots, grated carrots. I washed this and now I'm gonna grate it with the grater. I choose the big one so it's not too fine in the cake. Okay, here is the 2 cups of grated carrot. I'm gonna mix it with the wet mixture, everything. Here is the final mixture. Okay, I'm gonna use the round 18. This is 9-inch. Baking paper, and I'm gonna use some butter that I melted. We're gonna press it all around the surface. We're gonna pour the mixture into here.
Delicious. Is that carrot pieces?
Yeah.
Carrot cake.
Okay, I'm gonna put the cake for 45 minutes in the oven, 170 degrees Celsius, and I'll keep you updated later, guys. Back soon. Okay guys, the cake has been in the oven for 45 minutes because this is a big cake and it's supposed to be a 3 layers cake, but I make it one cake. Yeah, because I'm gonna give it to my friend. Okay, we're gonna check. It doesn't matter if it is crack on the top. We're just gonna cut it. That's it. We're gonna cut it. I think it's good. Ooh, look at that. It's a huge cake, guys. We're gonna try to use this camera to check if it is coming out clean. It's clean, guys. Means it's ready. Yay. Okay. It's ready. We're gonna let it cool down a little bit. Okay, after it's cooled a little bit, like about 10 minutes, I'm gonna take the cover out. Do you see that? It's not so beautiful, but as you can see, it's moist inside. Amazing. Okay guys, this is the final look of my cake. Isn't that beautiful, but I'm sure it tastes delicious, and I hope you guys can try at home. It is a very simple recipe and healthy. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on my next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.